in this video, I will be sharing and I will be suggesting some of these YouTube channels subject wise as well as some particular channels too for your preparations or that you can use for your preparations. Hello people, this is Sakshi. Welcome back to the channel. For those who are new here, I am a first year BSc nursing student at GMC Bhopal. So I have got a lot of requests in the comment section as well as on our Instagram page too. Yes, you can connect with me on Instagram as we have opened our Instagram as well as a Twitter page in which I will be sharing the notes as well as the daily updates for the upcoming videos too. So now in this video I will be sharing and I will be suggesting some of these YouTube channels subject wise as well as some particular channels too for your preparations or that you can use for your preparations. So now without any delay, let's get started. So mainly we have 4 different subjects. These are English, Physics, Chemistry and the Biology, in which we have 2 different subjects which are Botany and Zoology. So firstly let's talk about English. In English you can watch Dear Sir's channel. Yes, this channel will provide you the crash course or perfect many videos about the English grammar section and you can learn from them. They teach in Hindi as well as English language. Or this is not a sponsored video, so this may happen that you may not like the suggestions or you may prefer other channels too. So for any suggestions you can comment down below and you can suggest the channels that you use for your preparations too. Now moving to Physics and Chemistry section, for Physics you can use mainly the Physics Wala channel as well as you can use Aman Dhattarwal's Bhaiya's video, as well as there is also a channel available which is called Physics Baba. You can use these channels as well as you can also use Sachin Sir's Physics. I have heard a lot about him too, so you can use these channels. You can use the section from Vedantu and Unacademy too, because they also provide a very good content and they will also teach you in both Hindi and English language, in which you will be able to understand the things more better. Moving to the next, which is Chemistry. So for Chemistry you can also use Physics Wala as well as Aman Dhattarwal Bhaiya's video. So because these 2 people can teach you in both the languages, in Hindi as well as English, and they also teaches everything in very good and better way. You can also use Vedantu Made Easy channel too. You can use the Unacademy Toppers channel, and you can also take help with the other channels, or if you wanna suggest any channel you can comment down below. So for Biology I would suggest 2 different channels, which is Weave Biotonic as well as Garima Ma'am's lecture on Unacademy, because these 2 teachers are very good in teaching, and all these teachers that I have suggested are very best and they teach everything to you in a very great way that you will be able to understand. And Vani ma'am and Garima ma'am teaches every extra thing in that particular lecture too. You can watch their one shot videos and you will be noticing that they will teach you everything that is given in the NCERT, as well as they will teach you the extra things that you should know out of the NCERT books too. So you can note down all these extra things in your NCERT margins too. And for learning everything from a MBBS student, yes, she is a MBBS student, and you can watch all these subjects, which is Chemistry, Physics and Biology, and she has made a lot of playlists for you all. She is Rakshita Singh. Rakshita Singh Dee can teach you in a very great way, and this is a channel available and you will be knowing and you will get to know about the playlist. There are a lot of playlists available on her channel and you can easily use these crash courses for your preparations too. So these were all the channels. If you want to suggest any of the channel or any preparation channel for your preparations, or for which you are using for your preparations, you can comment down below. This is Sakshi. That's all for today, and I will catch you in the next video.